Braden and Alyssa.
In 2019, we moved to New Zealand and lived in our first home on wheels.
When COVID hit, we moved back to the States and built our current van, which we named Kiwi. Since then, we've been back on the road, and now we want to invite you to join us on our van life adventures. Yeah, ew.
No, probably not. Okay.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Oh, it's going. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Hi, we're Braden and Alyssa, and we are full-time van lifers. We've been doing van life since the end of 2019, and since then we've had a lot of requests to do a vlog. We thought in this first vlog we'd just kind of share a little bit about who we are and how we started van life and what brought us to where we are now.
Yeah, so October 2019, we hit the road in New Zealand until COVID hit, and then we had to come back. After tasting it in New Zealand, we just had to do it again, so we bought a van, converted it ourselves in like 2.5 months, and here we are.
And so currently, to bring you to where we are now, we are traveling the West Coast. So we're in California currently, and we really want to invite you to be a part of it. We want to share who we are, share our van life experiences, our travel experiences. Thank you so much for just being here, being a part of it. And if you ever have questions about anything, you can always leave comments here on the vlog, or you can find us on Instagram as well. We'll leave that information below.
It's gonna be fun, and see you guys on the road.
Yeah.
Alright.
We forgot about Omi. Okay.
Come here.
Hi.
Come here. Oh,
She's sleeping.
Come here.
Which, let's be honest,
Here.
she's like the main reason most of you are here.
Oh.
So this is our van life puppy, Omi.
Oh.
We got her in November, and yeah.
Sleepy? Say hello to the people. Alright, go sleep.
Anyway, all right. Well, thank you for being here, and we will see you again soon.